Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to do something different. So many of the viewers might getting bored with the continuous series of videos on just one Linux distro. So we decided to have some changes. So every now and then we will change the topic so people don't get bored. So in this video, we will be doing installation of the Linux Mint 21 Vanessa Beta edition. So as you might be knowing that Linux Mint Beta is released. So this is the new version of Linux Mint based on the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS release. So let us try it out. It is just released, I think 2 or 3 days back only. So beta is released for the general public. We will take a review of this release now. So this video we will do the installation, and in the next video we will check out the distro itself. So let us start. So you have to use Ubuntu 22.04 is not available, so you can use 20.04. It will be good. Customize. So we will start the Linux Mint 21 version, Cinnamon edition. So we have selected the Cinnamon ISO. So as you know, Linux Mint has 3 flagship desktops: Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE. Okay, so now it has booted. We have booted into the live Cinnamon desktop. So let us start the installation. What is changed we will check out in the next video when we do the detailed review of the desktop of Linux Mint 21. So let us start with the installation. So English is selected by default. Hit the continue button. Let us try to find, yes, Indian is there. Select in Indian English with rupee. Keyboard layout, continue. So when you are doing installation on your bare metal, so always select this install multimedia codecs. Otherwise later on when you finish the installation and reboot, you will have to do it because the non-free codecs will be missing. So you will have to anyway use the settings menu to install it. So better to do it right when we are installing. So I will not do it because this is just a review, so there is no need of multimedia codecs to be installed right now, but when you are doing on your system you should install this. Let us go ahead. So we will use this erase disk and install Linux Mint. Let us check out the advanced features. So advanced feature, there is only 2 options: none and use LVM with the new Linux Mint installation. So let us do the LVM. Let us check out how it performs on the LVM. So we'll not encrypt the installation. We will keep it unencrypted only. Hit OK button. Now you have to click on the install now to confirm. So this is the summary of what will be done to your system during the installation. So the LVM VG Mint. So this is the root. It will be installed. LVM VG Mint LV swap 1 will be installed, and the virtual disk VDA will be there, and the following partitions are going to be formatted. So the LV root has extended for LV swap as swap, and the partition 2 of the virtual disk VDA as the ESP. So this will be the boot partition. So there will be a root, boot, and a swap partition. 3 partitions will be there. Now hit the continue button. So the local is properly selected. You have to now configure the user. Select this option, require my password to login. There is option to encrypt my home folder. You can do it if you want, or you can keep it unencrypted, which is the default option. Now hit the continue button. The copying of files is being done. So you have to just lay back and wait for the installation to complete. When the installation will be completed, I will stop the video there, and in the next video we will do the detailed review and we will check out what is new in this beta release. If you want to see the verbose, you can check it out from here. This is just like the Ubuntu installer, where you can toggle on and off the verbose installation verbose. Installation is almost complete. Copying the installation logs. Yes, so the installation has completed. Now the installer is giving option either to continue testing or to restart now. So we will continue with testing, and I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the detailed review of the Cinnamon desktop, and of course, we will check out what is new in this beta release, that is Linux Mint 21 Vanessa release. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.